Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add my business location on Google Maps on mobile. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Search for Google Business and tap on Manage Your Business Profile on Google Maps. Here you will find additional information. Proceed to search for business.google.com. Tap on Manage Now to create a free business profile on Google. Enter your business name and category, then tap Next. Indicate whether your business has a physical location that customers can visit, like a store or office. Select Yes or No and tap Next. Enter your business address, including country, region, street address, sector, city, and postal code, then tap Next. Select your business from the provided options and tap Next. Use the pin to set your business location on the map, then tap Next. Indicate whether you provide deliveries or home and office visits, then tap Next. Add the areas you serve and tap Next. You can optionally add a phone number and then choose to verify it now or later. You can add more details or skip the step. Once you have completed these steps, your business location will be added to Google Maps. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.